and welcome to Amazon. Today, we have got our hands on the latest mid-range powerhouse straight from the OnePlus lab, the Nord CE3. So let's dive in and explore all the features of this incredible smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE3 is powered by the exceptionally reliable and powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G processor. This 5G-ready chipset takes the concept of processing speed and elevates it to the next level, ensuring you conquer your daily tasks with unparalleled efficiency. Brace yourselves for peak performance, as this chipset outperforms its predecessor in terms of CPU and GPU power, offering a 10% upgrade in terms of speed and efficiency. Whether it's switching through multiple heavy apps at the same time or gaming at high settings, this chipset does it all smoothly and without any lag. Worried about the heat when you're not in the gaming zone? Fear not. The built-in VC cooling chamber has your back, allowing you to game on for longer without any overheating issues. It's a highly power-efficient processor as well, keeping you charged up for an entire day of usage. And there's more. With its image-enhancing sensors, low-light shots have never looked so good, and nightscape shots are a canvas of vibrant colors. The Nord CE3 camera setup is truly impressive, featuring a 50-megapixel IMX890 flagship main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, which will ensure picture-perfect photographs always. The Turbo Raw Night feature offers amazing shots in low-light environment. And when it comes to video recording, the OnePlus Nord CE3 allows you to capture high-quality 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And with its OIS feature, your videos will come out great even in shaky scenarios. This camera setup is a big value add in this price segment. The OnePlus Nord CE3 is available in two RAM variants, 8GB and a massive 12GB RAM option. Thanks to the inbuilt RAM Vita feature, you can keep up to 24 apps open at the same time, as this feature compresses the apps running in the background to free up RAM space. This means no lag, no delay, just smooth multitasking in your daily usage. Now, let's talk about the OS. The OnePlus Nord CE3 comes loaded with Oxygen OS 13.1, offering not just speed and customizations but also many new features for an unmatched user experience. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Nord CE3 is its 80-watt SuperVOOC charging. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety while enjoying your favorite games or OTT content. The rapid charging capability ensures you get charged up in a couple of minutes and you're ready to go again. With the 5000 mAh battery, get the power to use your smartphone throughout the day with ease. Now let's talk about the stunning 6.7 inches fluid AMOLED display. Delivering an astonishing 1.5K resolution, this screen makes every pixel count. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web or gaming, you are in for an immersive visual treat. And with its silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling through social media apps or playing games, everything will be smooth and snappy. To wrap it up, the OnePlus Nord CE3 is a fantastic smartphone that has everything you need for an amazing experience. From its powerful performance and great camera to its awesome display and smart software, it's got you covered. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful.